Title: Why Frugality Beats Fancy Investing. The shocking truth big banks won't tell you. Part 1. Definition: What is frugality and fancy investing? Frugality: choosing to spend less than you could and saving the rest. It means buying what you need, avoiding waste, hunting for good deals, and putting money aside regularly. Frugal people don't necessarily act cheap. They make smart choices about money so they can reach goals. Kid example: choosing to pack lunch most days so you can save money to buy a bicycle later. Fancy investing: trying to get rich fast or showy by using complicated, trendy, or expensive investments, hot stocks, fancy funds, flashy crypto, or paying high fees to expert managers. These can promise big returns, but often come with big risks or high costs. Kid example: trading baseball cards every day hoping one rare card will suddenly be worth a fortune. Part 2. Problems caused by choosing fancy investing over frugality. Losing money fast. Risky investments can fall quickly, sometimes wiping out savings. Example: buying a hot item that's popular one month and worthless the next. Paying high fees and taxes. Fancy funds and active managers often charge big fees that reduce your returns. Example: paying a lot to someone who promises huge growth, but your profit is eaten by fees. Chasing trends wastes time and focus. Trying to pick winners is stressful and rarely beats steady saving. Example: constantly switching investments because of social media tips and losing track. Ignoring basics. People who chase big returns may forget emergency funds, paying off debt, or simple budgeting. Example: having no emergency money when a big bill appears after spending on risky bets. Bad sleep and worry. Risky strategies can cause anxiety and poor decisions when markets move. Example: staying up late watching price charts and panicking on small drops. Part 3. Why this matters. Significance. Why choose frugality? Frugality builds reliable wealth. Saving consistently creates real, safe progress toward goals like school, a home, or freedom to choose work. Lower risk, steady gains. Being frugal plus simple investing reduces the chance of sudden loss. Better control and calm. With savings and low-cost plans, you worry less and make smarter choices. More options. Frugality funds opportunities. Starting a small business, education, emergency needs, or helping others. Long-term power. Small savings now left alone grow into big sums through time and sensible investments. Kid story. 2 kids get $50. One splurges on trendy toys and tries to flip them online. The other saves $5 each week and finds a cheap bike in good condition later. The saver ends up happier and with more choices. Part 4. Common causes. Why people prefer fancy investing over frugality. Short-term excitement and FOMO, fear of missing out. People see friends make quick wins and want the same thrill. Social media and ads push get-rich-fast stories. Kid example: buying a toy everyone posts about so you don't feel left out. Misplaced belief that skill beats saving. Many think clever picks beat steady saving, but selecting winners consistently is very hard. Kid example: thinking you can always pick the next rare card. Attraction to glamour and status. Fancy investments look smart and make people feel important. Showing off a flashy purchase can be tempting. Kid example: bragging about a new gadget instead of saving for college. Overconfidence and gambling mindset. After a few wins, people feel invincible and take bigger risks. Kid example: winning once at a game and then betting more each time. Lack of basic money habits. Without budgeting, automatic saving, or emergency funds, people rely on risky ideas to catch up. Kid example: skipping saving because it seems boring and hoping to find a treasure later. Bad advice and scams. Fancy pitches, influencers, or dishonest sellers can lure people into poor investments. Kid example: a friend promising a quick profit from a secret deal that never happens. Ignoring fees and costs. High management fees, trading costs, and taxes reduce net returns, but many ignore them when dazzled by gross returns. Kid example: selling many small items and losing money on fees, so the final profit is tiny. Desire for shortcuts. People prefer quick shortcuts to steady work. Frugality is slow and boring by comparison. Kid example, wanting to skip chores and win a prize instead. Misunderstanding risk versus reward. Some believe high rewards always come with acceptable risk. They underestimate the chance of big loss. Kid example, thinking every risky trade will be a win because one was. No plan or goals. Without clear goals, people invest randomly rather than saving toward real needs. Kid example, spending allowance without deciding whether to save for a bike or game. Short wrap for part 1. Frugality isn't about being stingy. It's about making steady, smart choices that protect and grow your money. Fancy investing can be exciting but is risky, costly, and often fails to beat the steady power of saving, low fees, and time. In part 2, we'll cover statistics, effects and signs of choosing the wrong path, a step-by-step plan to be frugal and wise, and clear lessons you can use every day. Part 5, simple statistics, easy facts about frugality versus fancy investing. Most people who try to get rich quick lose money. Many studies show active traders and people chasing hot tips often underperform simple, low-cost investments over time. Fees matter. Paying a 1% to 2% yearly fee on investments can cut your final savings by a large percent over decades. Small fees add up. Savings habit wins. Regular savers who put aside a little each month are far more likely to reach goals, house, college, retirement, than those who wait for a big lucky gain. Emergency savings reduce ruin. Families with 3 to 6 months of living costs are much less likely to use high-interest credit or sell investments at bad times. Timing risk is real. Many people who bought trendy investments at the peak lost large parts of their money when prices crashed. These facts mean steady saving plus low costs plus time usually beat risky, expensive, or trendy strategies. Part 6, effects, signs, and symptoms. How to tell if fancy investing is hurting you. Effects, what happens when people choose flashy risky bets over frugality. Big losses that take years to recover. Emotional stress and poor sleep from watching markets constantly. Running out of money for real needs because funds were spent or lost. Paying high fees and taxes that eat away gains. Relying on debt after investments fail. Signs and symptoms, easy clues you're on the wrong path. You check investment apps every hour and panic at small drops. You change plans often because of social media hot tips. You have no emergency savings and depend on gains to cover bills. You pay high fees for expert managers or trade a lot. You treat investing like gambling, hoping for a big win instead of steady growth. If you spot these signs, it's time to slow down and choose safer habits. Part 7, Step-by-Step Solutions, a simple model to be frugal and grow wealth. Overview, use steady saving, low-cost investing, and smart protections. Think of money like planting an orchard. Plant many small trees, water them regularly, protect them from storms, and over years they give steady fruit. Step 1, set clear goals, know what you're saving for. Short term, 0 to 2 years small goals like a bike, laptop, or emergency fund. Medium term, 3 to 10 years car, college fund, business startup. Long term, 10 plus years home, retirement. Write goals down with amounts and dates. Step 2, build an emergency fund first, safety first. Aim for 3 months of basic expenses, more if your job is unstable. Keep it in a safe, easy access savings account. This prevents panic selling and risky bets when trouble hits. Step 3, save regularly and automate it, make it easy. Set up automatic transfers the day you get paid, into savings and then into low-cost investments. Even small amounts, $5 to $20, each week add up with time. Step 4, cut costs, not quality of life, smart frugality. Find small, permanent savings, cook more at home, cancel unused subscriptions, compare prices. Redirect those savings into investments or the emergency fund. Step 5, use low-cost broad investments, not flashy picks. Choose index funds or ETFs that track many companies and charge low fees. They are less risky than trying to pick winning stocks. For kids/teens, ask a grown-up about simple custodial accounts or a basic retirement account when older. Step 6, Reinvest returns and be patient. Let time help. Keep dividends and interest invested so they compound. Don't withdraw gains for small wants. Remember, time multiplies returns. Step 7. Avoid high fees and frequent trading. Fees destroy returns. Use low-cost brokers and avoid paying high management fees. Trade less. Buy and hold usually wins for long-term goals. Step 8. Pay off bad debt. Stop the leak. High-interest debt, credit cards, often grows faster than your investments. Pay it down before seeking big investment gains. Step 9. Diversify spread risk. Don't put all money in one stock, crypto, or hot idea. Mix savings, bonds, stocks, and maybe property. Different things move differently, so losses in one can be offset by others. Step 10. Protect with insurance and good records, shield and track. Use health, car, house, or business insurance so one emergency doesn't wipe you out. Keep simple records, what you earn, save, invest, and spend. Step 11. Learn, question, and get a mentor. Avoid scams. Learn basic finance, how interest, fees, and taxes work. Ask trusted adults or certified advisors before large choices. Beware social media tips. Step 12. Set rules and cool-off periods. Stop impulse moves. Rule example. Wait 30 days before big purchases or before switching investments after a tip. Rule example. Save first, spend second. Put a fixed percentage away every month automatically. Step 13. Review and adjust yearly. Check the orchard. Once a year, check goals, fees, and performance. Adjust contributions and reduce costs if needed. Simple example plan, easy numbers. Monthly income, $1,000. Emergency fund. Save $100 per month until you have $3,000. Investing. After emergency fund started, put $50 per month into a low-cost index fund. Big purchases/fun. $50 per month into a fund jar. Increase savings when income rises. Move extra money to investments or emergency fund. Common mistakes to avoid. Chasing hot tips on social media. Ignoring fees and taxes. Using investments for short-term needs. No emergency fund. Trying to time the market. Buying high, selling low. Overtrading and emotional decisions. Kid-friendly rules. How a 6th grader can start today. Rule 1. 3 jars, fund, save, give. Put a fixed part of allowance in each. Rule 2. Save first, before spending. Move a set amount to your save jar. Rule 3. Wait 30 days before big buys. Most urges pass. Rule 4. Learn one new money fact each month. Ask a grown-up to explain. Rule 5. Celebrate small wins. Every $100 saved is progress. Lessons learned short and clear. Frugality plus time beats flashy. Risky investments for most people. Start with safety, emergency fund, and paying bad debt. Then save regularly and invest in low-cost, diversified funds. Fees and frequent trading shrink returns. Keep costs low and be patient. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and social media hype. Learn basics and ask trusted adults. Small habits kept for years build big results. Start tiny and stay steady. Final encouragement, you can start now. You don't need to be rich to begin. Save a little, spend wisely, and learn how money works. Over time, frugality and simple investing will give you options, security, and freedom. And that's the real secret big banks won't always shout about.